I bought and tested this Benadryl itch stick relief. Today I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly want to know about it. Does it work? Is it good? I'm going to answer all your questions. Is it good for little ones? Is there a scent to it? We'll get into all of that. But first, let's take a closer look at this over here. So this is the packaging it's going to come in. Super compact, easy to throw in a backpack. This is the extra strength version. They do have some other ones as well. This is 0.47 ounces, not really a big deal. It is a stick, so you just take this off just like that. You'll see there is a little dabber right over here, and there is liquid in there. I'll show you exactly how to get this off. Now, in terms of scent, doesn't really have like a scent. It kind of maybe smells like a little like an alcohol swab, maybe. But it's not an overly bearing scent. Like I wouldn't associate it with like almost like bug spray. You really smell that. This is very light when it comes to that. Now, how to apply this? You're literally just going to unscrew this cap right here. You're going to go to your little bug. If you have a mosquito bite, a fly bite, whatever, you're literally just going to go over it. Let's just pretend there's one right here. You're literally just going to hold down for a little bit right over here. And then you're going to let go, and you'll see it is a little wet right over there. And that's what it gives. So you could just put this on multiple if you wanted to. And you'll see right over there, it gets a little bit more once you get this going. You could really get the liquid out easily. The key is holding down first and then pulling it up. This is great for bug bite relief. Could also work for like sunburns, poison ivy, all that kind of stuff like that. Easy to throw this in a backpack, a purse, whatever, even just your pocket, or if you had a pocket up here, you could do that. Really like this a lot. Summer is here. We actually have our backyard faces the woods, so we always have bugs and stuff like that. So when I get bit, this thing is awesome. Instead of itching them, I kind of just dab this up. Doesn't smell at all. It lasts a good bit, and it does provide relief. So if you're looking for some great relief, definitely check this Benadryl itch relief stick out. If you found this helpful, give this a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.